Okay, let me continue now ha. Ito yung, ito yung perpetuity naman. Ha? Pag sinabing perpetuity, ito yung infinite yung payment. Okay? Now remember, our formula is P is equal to A. That is 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative n over I. As n tends to infinity, okay, ito will become zero. Yan, it will become zero. So your P will just become A over I. That is A over I. So ito yung infinite payments. Okay. So here, find the present value of the perpetuity 15,000 payable semi-annually if money is worth 8% compounded quarterly. Pag sinulat mo yung ano na yan, yung perpetuity na yan, that is 15,000. Okay, paying semi-annually, so 1, 2, and so on, up to infinity. So paying 15,000 infinitely. Yeah, and so on. So, ang tinatanong, ano yung present worth? Ano yung present worth ng 15,000 paying 15,000 annually, semi-annually? Kaya lang, ang given is compounded quarterly. So, kailangan convert mo muna siya sa what? Compounded semi-annually. So, ito yung formula, 1 plus 8% over 4 is 1 plus x% over 2. Now, computin lang natin yun. Square root of uh, 1.02 raised to the fourth. Okay, there, minus 1. Okay, ito na yung per semi-annual. Store ko siya sa, let's say, n. Then, ang present worth ng lahat ng payment na yan is just 15,000 divided by n. So, we have this answer, 371,029. 0.13. This is should be 0.13. It should be 0.13. 371,287.30 na lang. Lagyan mo ng decimal 13. Okay. Now, let's have the next example. Okay, let's clear this. Okay, here. If money if money is worth 8%, ito effective. Determine the present value of a perpetuity of 1,000 payable annually with the first payment due in the 5 years. Ang tawag dito deferred perpetuity kasi hindi siya nagsimula sa zero. So ang gagawin mo muna, wa- dito mo kukunin yung perpetuity. Okay, let's call that P1 and then ilipat mo sa zero. Okay, so perpetuity now. Okay, so our perpetuity is just 1,000 divided by what? Divided by 8%, 0.08, using the formula A over 8, just divided, transfer, just divided by 1.08 to the fourth. So that will be what? That will be 1,000 divided by 0.08, okay, divided by 1.08 to the fourth. That will be your what? That will be the present value of that perpetuity. Okay, actually itong bonus problem nyo is an example of a perpetuity. Okay, so let's An employee from the Rant All You Can restaurant specializing in a recipe giant kamote, modified giant egg rice, was terminated by his employer from making mistake 100 times. So, never mind those mistakes. So, so kayo na lang bahala dyan. Ignorant of the law, he was charged and convicted with a violation of the data privacy law. He was fined 1 million pesos and was asked to post 2 million bail for his temporary liberty while the case is being reviewed in the Supreme Court. He had secured a loan of 3 million from the Lord of the Rings with a non-effective interest. He will pay 789.33 daily for 100 years starting a day after the loan is given. Okay? So what is the effective interest? Actually, it will just be P equals A over I. Kasi, okay, kasi infinite yung payment. So, kumbaga, ito yung 3 million, ito yung 3 million, tapos yung payment mo is what? 6, 7, 8, 9, ano yung payment? 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9 point, ano, point 33, 1 up to 100 years, already up to infinity na yan. Okay? So, yung 3 million mo, 3 million will just be equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 point, ano, 33 divided by I. But this is monthly. Therefore, I monthly is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 point, ano, 33 divided by 3 million. 3 million. Okay, and that will give you uh, about approximately, that is 2.26311 times 10 to the negative 3. Remember, this is a monthly, okay, monthly payment. Just store it to M. Mm. Just store it to M. And then to compute the effective interest, kasi yearly yung tinatanong, remember that F equals what? P 1 plus I to the N. So in monthly siya, so that will be 1 plus ano lang, 1 plus M raised the 12. Okay, minus 1. This will be now your interest, effective interest. And if you compute that, okay, that is 1 plus M raised to 12 minus 1. Okay. That is, I'm sorry, this should be daily pala to, no? This is a daily interest, no? So 1 plus M to the 360 pala to. 360. So let me erase this. This is a, this should be, this should be, I'm sorry, this should be 360. 360 pala to. 360. Daily pala yung ano. Alright. My mistake is, it's not a monthly. This is what? Daily pala to, no? So let me just erase this. This is daily. So let's just daily pala siya. So 1 plus n to the 360 minus 1. And that is 1 plus n 360 minus 1. The answer is 125.125.65%. So this is our answer for the interest. And then for yung payment, halos negligible na siya kasi perpetuity to. So halos wala na siyang babayaran after that 8 years. Okay? So halos infinite na yung bayad niya. No? Okay, this is it. Okay, so